To build a high-quality and high ROI mailing list, you need to nurture and build relationships with your subscribers. This will ensure that your ideal audience stays on your list, tells others about you, and buys from you. Some people will eventually unsubscribe. Don't worry. Nurture your mailing list and build relationships to keep a steady stream of new subscribers and your loyal subscribers happy with these tips and strategies. The first message delivered to new subscribers sets the tone. It shows you appreciate and value them. It also sets readers' expectations and you begin building a relationship, in earnest. Begin by creating a welcome email with your audience's needs in mind. Explain how being a member benefits them. Since 90% of your subscribers will open your welcome email, it's the best chance you have to strengthen trust in the budding relationship. First, in your welcome email, congratulate them for taking the first step to learn more and make meaningful changes. You want them to know that you are behind them all the way and you will help them achieve greater success by sharing what you know. You can help new subscribers feel a connection with you and your business by referring to them and others as members, like in team members, where everyone is important and works together. Secondly, deliver the link to the download you promised. New subscribers don't want to read a bunch of stuff before you give them access to their goodie. Cut to the chase and provide the link towards the top of the page and again at the bottom in your PS. The freebie will help to convince them to take other actions. The third thing is that your welcome email is a good place to mention the benefits of being a member. Tell them approximately how often they'll receive emails, what type of emails they'll get. You'll sandwich most of the information you include in between the links or calls to action. Don't bombard new subscribers with too many emails at once. Instead, give them a day or so and start a series of newbie emails that are spaced apart. You don't want them to unsubscribe before they really get started good. Fourth thing is to let your personality shine in your emails. If you have a quirky sense of humor, let it show, while still being professional. That's the key to building relationships. When readers are attracted to your site and join your list, it's because they've seen something they like in the content or your tone and style. When you hide personality traits, you may unknowingly hide something that would attract even more people to you. The fifth thing is to tell members how to accomplish the things you want them to do. For example, if you want them to take a survey, to get to know them better, include that in the directions. If you promised a freebie, explain where to go and how to get it. If you want them to join your online group, tell them where to go and how to join. The sixth thing is to tell your new subscribers about the social networks you use. Add this email to your newbie email series. It's a good way to educate them and invite them to share a more personal connection with you. The social environment seems more informal. Provide the social links and explain the steps they need to take to like the page and/or join the group. Finally, don't hide your contact information in your emails. You want people to be able to hit reply and respond to you. Make it easy for them to ask questions, as well as use the contact forms on your website. When you are easy to contact, your audience feels that you really do care and they are important. In summary, while your welcome email is very important, so are the automated emails in the Newbie series. Take the time to craft a welcome email that covers the most important info that is needed immediately. In your follow-up series, continue to use these 7 tips and ideas to help you build your relationship and trust.